After installing your Forsta 180 series filter, there are 3 critical checkpoints to review in order to ensure reliable performance. With the unit filled and fully pressurized with water, the 3 points of interest are the flush port pressure gauge, the inlet pressure gauge, and the backwash controller. Begin by triggering a backwash sequence. Press the manual start button on the automatic controller. With the flush valve open and a backwash initiated, the flush port pressure gauge should drop to 0 psi, or close to it. This is achieved by oversizing the flush piping and allowing it to discharge to a nearby tank or drain. It is important to avoid excessive length, elevation, and elbows as much as possible. Minimizing pressure at the flush port optimizes suction in the particle remover and allows the hydraulic piston to move freely. Both are crucial for filter performance. Next, check the inlet pressure gauge. Pressure should not drop below 40 psi. There may be some loss of pressure at the inlet due to discharge through the flush valve, but pressure must always remain above 40 psi while the flush valve is open. This ensures that there is enough pressure to drive the particle remover and complete a successful backwash. Finally, after verifying proper pressure readings at the inlet and flush port, adjust the backwash controller for the proper flush duration. Observe the time required for the piston indicator pin to move the entire length of the slot. Set the controller flush setting to match this time. Setting the duration for less than the piston stroke will result in incomplete cleaning, and setting the duration for more than piston stroke will result in unnecessary flush discharge volume. Dwell. The pause time between stations 1 and 2 should be set to 0 for single filter installations. Periodic should be set to off unless backwashes on a timed interval are desired. For additional tech support, send photos or videos of your equipment to Forsta Filters for installation review.